Hi, let's discuss about how to manage sales pipeline in Odoo CRM. Odoo CRM helps you to organize your sales activities such as track leads, close opportunities, and get accurate forecasts, and to keep opportunities organized with the pipeline and manage your day-to-day activities with meetings and next activities. And now let's see in detail. You can see the different stages of the opportunities under this pipeline. So here you have new, qualified, proposition, proposition 2 and 1. These are the different stages, and depending upon the organization or the policy, the same can be changed. By clicking on this icon, here we have edit option, edit stage. So I'm just click on this and rename it and click on save. And if suppose we need to add on the stages, here we have an option called add a column. Just click on this. The same can be given, then the required name had to be given. Click on this add option. And we have another option. If the stages has to be minimized, you can delete the thing. The not required stage can be deleted. And this is what the overview of the pipeline. And in detail we'll get into this. To create an opportunity, here the stage wise you can create the opportunity by clicking on this quick add. So for under each stage we have this add the opportunity, and I'm going to start with new. So click on this new, add on the organization, and here I'm going to select, this is an opportunity of 100 laptop. So the expected revenue can be given over here. Click on this add. So I'm just adding, and here I'm going to give the price of the same, the expected revenue. Click on this add. So this has been added to the new stage of the opportunity, and I'm getting into this. And here we have the priority. So depending upon the priority basis, we can click on the same. Here we have the probability of the winning over here. And if the opportunity moves on to the next stage, you can just click on this qualified. And before that, we have another option called activity. So in this activity, it's nothing but you can schedule an activity. So let's schedule an activity. Click on this schedule an activity. We have more activities like email, call, meeting, follow-up calls, and go on. And if you want to add on the activity also, we can add. And let's discuss that also later. Here we have, okay, now I'm going to have a meeting. We are going to have a meeting on the next day. We just have a meeting on 24th. So the summarize the product description or product promotion, anything like that, we can add over and click on this save option. So now you can see this is no activity, this is an activity scheduled. So then I'm just clicking on that, and if it is moved on to the next stage, we just click on this one, and that's it. You can see from the new stage to the qualified stage it has been moved. And if suppose after the call the proposition has been done and it has been moved to the next stage, it can also be moved as such in this way. Yes, it has been moved. So after, and you can also see to the next stage it has gone and it also won. So the opportunity has been won. And now you can see the another thing we can see over here. Here you can see the color description. So green color represents the planned activity of the opportunity. The yellow color represents the today's activity. The red color represents the overdue of the activity. It is the overdue of the particular activity of the opportunity. And this is what the overview. And if suppose this activity have been refused, we'll just see if you can see the stage by stage, it has been moved and it has gone to 1. If suppose it has been lost, you have to give the reason for the same. So that to avoid the future loss, this option will be helpful. And these are the things under the pipeline we have. And if suppose, okay, and we have my activity over here. This is my pipeline. This is my activities. These are nothing but the opportunities by activity wise we can view over here. So the deadline of the activity, the next activity. So it's nothing but the opportunity which are visible by activity wise. And the next option is my quotations. These are the quotations that are available over here, and this is a team. So here we can see the opportunity and the quotations team wise we can see over here. And here we have customers. So this is the customer tab where you can see the database of the customer, and if you want to create the same, click on this create by giving the company name and the basic organization data. You can click on the save and you can create the customer. And this is what, and here we have the reporting, the forecast reporting can be seen over here. Here we can see the month wise details of the opportunity, and we can see the pipeline reporting. This is a pipeline analysis, and this is sort of a graphical view, bar view, and we have pivot table view. And if you want to have the details are here over here, you can also add on the same. Here you can add on depending upon the requirement. You can select the same. So you can see over here, this is the pipeline analysis using the pivot, and this is the list view. The opportunity can be seen over here, and here we have activities. So activities, the measures also can be given. The same thing also can be. Here we have the pie chart, line chart, and bar chart. So depending upon that, the activities also will be shown over here. And here we have the configuration, sales teams. So here we can create this team under the sales team and the team leader, and the members can be added over here. So the sales teams can be given. And then we have here the activity types. So we have seen, right, scheduling an activity. So here we have the predefined activities over here. If suppose you want to add on some more activities, you can also click on create, and here you can add the activity. Even then you can add. By clicking something like that. So upload document, phone call, meeting, default user also can be given over here, and schedule date, how many after previous activity deadline. So here you can give the days, schedule days, and the template of the thing. These things can be given. Here we have lost reasons. So here you can also add some more reasons also for the lost. And these are the basic things in the CRM modules which are available in the Odoo. Thank you so much.